How do we delete blank rows on our data set, like these ones highlighted here in yellow? Hi, I'm Josephine, and today I'm going to show you how to delete blank rows or unwanted blank rows in Excel. So let's get right into it. To do this, you highlight the data. You can do this by clicking on any cell within the data set and press Ctrl A. It will highlight all the data on your Excel sheet. Then you press F5. The F5 will bring the go to pop-up, or you can press F5 or you can press Ctrl G. They all do the same thing. So the go to pop-up will come up, and you click on special, then select blanks, then click OK. All the blank rows, like these ones that are in the yellow color, are highlighted. Then to delete them, you press Ctrl minus. As you can see, all the blank rows are deleted. All the yellow colored rows have been removed. There you have it. So this is how you delete blank rows in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button for more videos like this. Thank you.